surprising turn of events, Indian wicketkeeper batter KS Bharat has signed with English club Dulwich Cricket Club. The move comes after KS Bharat's unsold IPL auction bid and a desire to reignite his red ball cricket. The 31-year-old has had a mixed but notable international career. In 2023 and 2024, he played 7 tests for India, scoring 221 runs and taking 19 dismissals behind the stumps, including 18 catches and a stumping. He also featured in the ICC World Test Championship final last year, where India faced Australia. A breakthrough star, KS Bharat's moment of brilliance came in domestic cricket, when he became the first ever wicketkeeper batter to score a triple century in the prestigious Ranji Trophy. KS Bharat's first-class record is solid, with 5,686 runs from 105 games, including 10 centuries and 32 50s. He has proven himself in the longest format. But with the return of Rishabh Pant and the rise of young Dhruv Jurel, KS Bharat's position in India's pecking order has slipped. Though he remains a key figure for Andhra in domestic cricket, his recent season was less impactful, just 2 games and 150, and 9 catches in the Ranji Trophy. Now, KS Bharat is setting his sights on England. He will represent Dulwich Cricket Club in the prestigious Surrey Championship Premier Division, starting this April. Dulwich Cricket Club earned promotion after finishing second in Division 1 last season, and KS Bharat's experience will be invaluable as they take on bigger challenges. He joins a growing list of Indian cricketers who have taken to the English club scene, with names like Cheteshwar Pujara, Ajinkya Rahane and Yuzvendra Chahal making waves in county cricket. KS Bharat's journey to Dulwich Cricket Club is a testament to the evolving landscape of cricket, where opportunities exist beyond the IPL, Indian Premier League, and the game's future lies in the hands of cricketers willing to adapt and explore new horizons. The Surrey Championship season kicks off for Dulwich on April 12th with their opening match against Bromley Common. Will KS Bharat rise to the challenge? Only time will tell. Stay tuned as KS Bharat embarks on this new chapter in his career in the hearts of England's historic cricketing landscape. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cricket Next for more cricket updates.